Hey, we're just doing a quick video on how to reseal the window on the rear camper door. We get questions from customers and dealers sometimes if the glass has somehow broken by accident, or if they have water trickling in the lower portion of the window when it's rainy. We just wanted to do a quick video on how to pull the window out, run a bead of silicone around there, and then put it back in there. The Matt is our lead service tech here at 4Wheel, and he's just gonna show you. We've already kind of loosened all of the screws around the window already, just to make it a little quicker, and then he'll take over.
Yep. So you know, some of the models you may have to take the curtain, this curtain rod off. This particular one you don't have to. You just can fold it back. But some of the other older models, the curtain rod would be mounted to this frame, and then you would have to take this off. But this one you don't have to, so it's going to slide it up. I loosened most of my screws except for two, so I'll take those two screws out. And then kind of want to be a little bit careful. If you have a helper, you can have somebody hold the outside part of the window, and it's a little easier that way. Otherwise the glass could fall out when you're taking this off. So the whole trim ring just comes off. You can leave all the screws in it if you want, because we're going to put it right back after we seal it. Most of the time they're going to fall out when you flip it to seal it though. So little flat surface, you go ahead and pull that out if you want. Is it staying stuck on there pretty good? Yeah. Okay, leave it. So if it's been leaking for a long time, it's probably going to be pretty dirty and grimy, so you're going to want to clean it up this edge as best as you can. The dirt and dust that will get in there and make kind of a mess. So this one's not too terribly bad. So I'll just do a quick wipe. I just use Windex. It doesn't have to be anything special. It's just a quick wipe around this edge.
Are you running a bead around the outside of that black trim and the inside of that black trim, or just one?
You can do the glass edge. On the inside edge, I typically just do the outside edge, the silicone edge. But you can also do this edge right here. So if it's been leaking and it's an older frame, you're probably better off putting a small bead on the outside edge, and then right in this edge right here, right in that, all the way around. And then that way you'll get a seal on both sides, inside and out. So we'll go ahead and do both edges on this one, just kind of assuming that you've got a pretty bad window. Inside edge the same way. This has got kind of a groove down in there, so you can kind of get that down in there. Oops. cut that out.
That's what customers are going to. So we just did a quick fast forward just to speed things up, but old window frame, we've ran a bead of silicone around the inner edge and the outer edge. If you've had an old window that drops down inside, there are plastic tabs right here, these little black plastic tabs in there that hold the window in place. And if the window has dropped down, it usually means this little plastic tab right here is sheared off. You can put a block of wood in this little area here to prop the window up before you put it back together. And then we grabbed a secondary trim just to make it quicker for the video, but they're gonna pop this in. The trim piece we sealed was the outer piece, the outside piece, and they're gonna put it in and tighten it in. Usually a lot easier with two people. One person outside, one person inside, just pop it up. The window is somewhat siliconed in there in place, just it's sticky, so the window doesn't typically want to fall out, but it could if you're not holding it. While he's holding the outside, inside trim goes on, and then we'll put the window screws back in. We're pretty gentle on putting the screws back in because the plastic trim could crack, or if you tightened it down too much, you potentially could crack the window, which is unlikely, but it's possible. So gently put those screws in and just get them hand tight. So we'll wrap it up, but that's it. The window's in once he finishes all those screws. Curtain track's still on this one. If you had to take the curtain track off, you can put that back on at the same time, and then the window's sealed up from the outside with the inner and outer seal, and then you can take your finger and just gently wipe that silicone off there. Thanks so much.